Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to declare sharp define a macro in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, and your likes, and most importantly by subscribing to my channel. Without you guys, my channel will not grow. Thank you for your support. And then for those who donate in GCash here in the Philippines for my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate your help to support my channel, our channel. Okay, so let's begin. Macro is very important in C language because it allows us to make our code shorter and efficient, and then it makes programming more interesting in my opinion. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in this tutorial video guys. So basically, I'm using code blocks as my integrated development environment. It is free to download in the internet. You can install it in Linux just like this one. I'm using Linux Mint, Windows, Microsoft Windows, and Mac OS. Okay, so we have here sharp includes tdio.h for input output. So to define a macro, we are using the keyword sharp define displays the name of the macro, and then printf. So void main displays new line, and then we will display a message here. \t or horizontal tab defines a macro in C programming language. We have here new line and then right curly bracket. Okay, so that's it. Very short code. There are only 10 lines of code. Okay, let us build and run. So the output is defines a macro in C programming language. That's it. Okay, so guys, I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. So this is the end. I hope you enjoy learning. For me, learning computer programming is a fun way and a good way to spend my spare time, and helps also my livelihood before when I was working as a full-time software engineer, team lead, and software engineering consultant in Metro Manila, in one of the most prestigious and well-known information technology company around the world. Okay, so thank you so much again. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Bye bye for now. This is your friend Jake. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye.